Hello guys, and welcome back here again on Mr. Ben's YouTube channel today, featuring the all new E Class Cabriolet, the facelifted version after Mercedes presented their sedan, their estate and also their coupe. Now it's time for the Cabriolet, the perfect summer car. In this video I will be talking about all the exterior details as well as get inside the interior, because it has the most beautiful interior, I'm telling you guys, honestly. Afterwards we will be finishing this video with a quick resume and information, etc. So let's go ahead and start with this car in specific. Here we have the new E Class Cabriolet 300 diesel option with an in-row 4-cylinder engine, 2-liter, first time also with the starter generator. As you can already see, we have many changes in the exterior. Starting with the exterior color, here we have hyacinth red, no night package, as you can already see from the chrome parts here. And we have the AMG package, which makes the car look even sportier. So let's just go ahead and start the walk around with the front of this car, which we already know of the sedan models, which got presented a few months ago. Here we have the updated and all new Mercedes E-Class headlights. As you can see, beautiful, look much better than predecessor ones, very sporty, still elegant. As you can see, we have a main LED stripe here, and we have two LED modules on the side. Then we have the updated Mercedes E-Class front grille, which is now A-shaped, as you can already see from the sides here, which looks very nice. Also the sides here is finished in black piano. Then we have the diamond grille, which comes with the AMG line option, as well as the horizontal line here, which looks very nice. Beautiful Mercedes front star. Then we have the front camera here, as well as the Mercedes Benz logo here, very nice and full blacked out. Suit the front. Then starting with the front bumper. Yes, these aren't real, these are just plastic covers, but still we have an airflow going through here. Then we have the front skirt with the chrome, beautiful fit, this beautiful and elegant E-Class Cabriolet, really like it. I would also prefer no night package on these cars because it looks super elegant without. As well here on the right side we have the airflow intakes over here. You can't really see them, but if you have a look over here, you can see that there is an intake. You can have air from this side, which can also cool the brakes over here. So let's talk about the side of this car here. The first thing we see are the wheels. We have Mercedes AMG multi-spoke 20-inch wheels, very sporty, which are an optional. You can choose between many different wheel options, but these are like the common ones. See them really often and they fit beautiful on this car. As you can see, we have the side mirrors here, the exterior paint also with the black trim, and we have the chrome running here. This is normal for all Cabriolet models. Even if you choose the night package, you would still have chrome parts here. Then we have the rear wheels. As you can see, again, 20-inch multi-spoke Mercedes AMG wheels. We have the AMG engraved over here as well, really like that. So let's move on. Let me show you the rear of this beautiful E-Class Cabriolet. As you can already see, as we had it with this beautiful coupe, we have the same rear tail lights. Not a big change, but as you can see now, fitting more the facelifted E-Class with this beautiful tail lights. How do you like them, guys? As you can see, they look kind of like OLED, which we still have on the S-Class Coupe, S-Class Cabriolet models, which looks beautiful. So let's continue with the rear. Here we have the Mercedes star in chrome, which is also the button to open the trunk. Then we have the rear diffuser. As you can see, chrome parts here. If we had the night package, these would be completely black. The rear exhaust tips also finished in chrome. As you can already see, these aren't real, these are just covers. If we have a closer look down here, we can already spot the real exhaust tips over here, but still they look way more elegant than the normal exhaust tips. So before we finish it off with the interior, let me show you the all-new Mercedes key. As you can see, this is a Cabriolet. So here we have the Mercedes new design key, very beautiful chrome. Here you can lock, unlock and open the trunk just with the key. So now let's move inside the car. As you can already see, the most beautiful interior I've seen in a while. Beautiful bright colors used here, as well as the dark leather trim here. Beautiful overview because it's a Cabriolet, so easy. Really love the beige leather used here. So let's start with the door panels here. As you can already see, we have wooden trim here, which fits perfectly in combination with the beige leather and the gray dark leather here. Also with the beige stitching, beautiful, really love that. Then we have the Mercedes Benz entrance board here, also finished in chrome. So let's get inside the car and let me show you more about that beauty. So here we are now inside the all new and beautiful E Class Cabriolet. As you can already see, the beautiful bright beige steering wheel here with the gray wooden trim all over the dash and the center console. So let's just start here with the steering wheel. As you already know, this is the all new and updated Mercedes steering wheel, the Super Sport one, which comes with the AMG line interior package. We have a flat bottom here, and we have the Mercedes steering wheel frame here, finished in stock color, as well as the sensors here. Beautiful new steering wheel, so easy to use. Like if you have these touchpads and buttons where you can just swipe left, up and down, etc. to control. Then you have these to just push. Really easy to use, as we have the MBUX system in this car. Unfortunately, without the latest touch, this can't be fitted due to this modem here, unfortunately. But still, don't get confused by this pre-facelift touchpad. This car is still upgraded with the latest MBUX infotainment system. So just because I was also confused when I stepped inside here. Very easy to use, as I already mentioned. The left side display here, just by swiping left, up or down, etc. It's so easy. It's easier than the touchpad back then. So that's it from the beautiful steering wheel. Also, we have the updated new airbag cover, which is now bigger, which reminds me of the Vision Mercedes Maybach 6. I will just show you here, so you see a comparison of that steering wheel with the one from the Maybach. You will instantly see like there has been an influence by designing this, I guess, with the beautiful chrome Mercedes star in the center. Really fit the overall look of this car. I'm going to do a separate in-depth review video about the new steering wheel, which came with the new E-Class. So if you're interested in that, also stay tuned and subscribe to this channel to not miss this one as well. So then we have the bright wooden trim here, beautiful. I love that. As you can already see, we have the ambient light going through the whole interior, so that really fits the overall look of this beautiful interior as well. And we have these seats, full beige also. Then we have the beautiful beige seat belts here. First time I see beige seat belts, really nice. Fit beautiful. If we had these in black, it wouldn't fit the overall combination here. So that's it basically from the interior. Let's move outside and finish it off with a resume. So before I forget it, here we also have the side view of this beautiful E-Class Cabriolet with the roof down. Really love that hyacinth red exterior paint. Really looks nice in sunlight. So let's go ahead and let me show you a very cool and simple feature to close the roof of this E-Class Cabriolet. You just hold the lock button here on the key and step a little bit further. If you get distant to the car, it won't close. Look, it just stopped. But if you step near again and press the lock button, just hold it, it will automatically close the roof and the windows as well, as you can already see. There we go. So it's much easier to use if you just go ahead and press this button on your key. It will automatically also open the roof again for you. So that's a cool feature I just want to show you. So that's it basically from today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. As a resume, I can say I really enjoy this E-Class Cabriolet, especially this interior. I'm really in love with that. Big improvement when it comes to the front design with the new steering wheel or with the tail lights as well. So all in all, good one here as well. Always all about the spec. Really love it, and I hope you also do. Please comment down below how you like this video, how you like the new E-Class Cabriolet, and would you rather get a Cabriolet or the Coupe? Tell me in the comments also. Already looking forward to see you again. Wish you a great day. Goodbye.